Awusitshele bekuyiphi indima yini yiphi role eniyidlalile kuwena konke lokho kwenzeka?
Ngicela ukukhuluma isingisi bafu.
Yes sir.
Okay, when this matter was brought to our attention,
Yes, sir.
we felt that it is very imperative that we must come because of we realized that their rights are being violated by a municipality.
Yes, sir.
And then we take initiative that we will support Ipinivane Tugu, and then whatever that they are going through, we will support them because of now we know and understand their grievances. That is why we have come to a conclusion that whatever, if anything happens to them, we will advocate on behalf of them. We then have decided, as we see, this is the executive committee of Ipinivane Tugu. We are now planning to go and do a very big march to the Metropolis. I hope that they are ready because we are going to expose them.
Yes.
We are going to expose whatever the shaganiness that they are doing and also the corruption that they are doing. So I will say to you that Ipinivane Tugu, they are fighting for their rights. This is their brand and it must be respected. No one must come and take whatever their brand and then make it as if they belong to them. Yes, Bafu.
So with all of that, what are you hoping to achieve?
Actually, we are hoping that the municipality, first thing first all, we want to expose the municipality. And after we expose the corruption that the municipality is doing, we are going to open criminal cases because of there are serious allegations regarding buying of sites or stand and whatsoever. So we will dig deeper and we will make sure that whoever took the money must face must account and face the mighty law.
Mama uyasho DSG la ukuthi okulandelayo manje nifisa ukuthi niye yitrading against amaphoyisa akamasipala.
Ewe sifuna lonto into bana siye emapoliseni kamasipala because akasimameli aka nala desk ka support ka business support awufanele ba ukufuthane nathi akakwazi ukusamkela akasifuni uba isizathu yintoni asazi kodwa ke xa sithi ukusola njengokubana ababantu bokufika bene permit ezingekho umthethweni bengenamaphepha kodwa bene permit zokuthengisa ezitratweni. I think into obana ikhona into engapha ya kubo no business support ilento ke ngokunakuzanywa ukupheliswa Ipinivane Tugu ilonto ke ngoba amaphoyisa nje akafuna ukusibheka asifaka phakathi silindele abanye nangoku into kokubana abayi7 mababe phakathi abathi mababe phakathi.
Ngabe ikhona yini mhlawumbe inkulumo esenike naba nayo noma meeting nabo nibachazela ngazo zonke inkinga eninazo?
Siyile ku business support as ono business ne sayobanika ileta esivezayo basingobani but abasiyo yanga instead bayasikhupha nabantu bethu bayahlukumezeka abababeka kwababantu bane permit bathengiselwa ngabo ngoba uthi business support mabangabathengiseli bona mabazithengisele bona injongo zabo intoba mabaphume.
Khona kunye in addition.
Yes, we are saying Tina as a Alikebu social movement that we are not against municipality if they are doing their job accordingly, but where they are abusing their powers, that's where we come in, and we are not going to be intimidated by anyone. Because of we are advocating for the rights of our members. So we are saying that we will meet them. We are going to have a march, and we hope and that they will accept to grant us the march, so that we can sit down and also to expose some of the corruption that is happening in the law enforcement.
besinaye ke uDSG Alkebo Social Movement. Yes, silivala kanjalo ke uhlelo lawo iDurban Network. Siphinde sinibone. Thank you.